In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit your Vercel domain. If you're working on deploying your project using Vercel, knowing how to manage your domain settings is crucial for making sure everything runs smoothly. Let's go through this process step by step. First, you'll need to access your project settings in Vercel. Begin by logging into your Vercel dashboard. This is your central hub where you can view and manage all of your projects. Once you're logged in, you should see a list of your projects. Go ahead and select the project that you'd like to modify. You may have multiple projects, so make sure you're selecting the right one. Navigating the dashboard is pretty intuitive. However, if it's your first time, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout to make future visits easier. After you've selected your project, the next place you'll want to go to is the Settings tab. You should see this tab along the top or on the side, depending on the layout of your dashboard. Within the Settings section, you'll find various options that allow you to configure different aspects of your project, but what we're interested in today is the domain settings. Once you're in the settings, take a look at the left-hand menu and click on Domains. This section is dedicated to managing all the domain-related settings for your project. Here, you'll see a list of domains that are currently associated with your project. Each domain is listed out neatly to give you a clear overview. Now, let's move on to modifying your domain. In the Domains section, look through the list of domains for the particular one you wish to edit. Next to each domain in your list, you should see an Edit button, often represented by a pencil icon. This is what you'll click on to make changes to any existing domain configuration. Always ensure that you're editing the correct domain, as this might significantly affect how your site is accessed. When you click the Edit button, you'll likely be prompted with various options to modify your domain settings. Be sure to make the necessary changes you need, whether it's redirect settings, DNS settings, or anything specific to your current needs. Take your time to review your changes before confirming them, as domain edits can sometimes take a bit to propagate across the internet. And there you have it. Those are the simple steps to edit your Vercel domain settings. Taking control of your domain ensures your project runs seamlessly and is accessible to your users. If you ever need to revisit these settings or make further changes, just follow this same process. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you manage your Vercel projects more effectively. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below.